In this video, I'll show you how to add Hreflang tags to a multilingual website managed with TranslatePress. For this tutorial, I created an Italian translation of the default Hello World page that comes with new WordPress installations. This translation can be accessed at any time using the language selector added by TranslatePress. By inspecting the page HTML, you can see that TranslatePress automatically adds Hreflang tags by default. The exact behavior can be configured using a couple of options available in the Translate Site section of the plugin settings. The first option allows you to customize the Hreflang values. By selecting Show Both, the site will output two Hreflang tags for each alternate page, one with the language code only and one with both the language and country code. With the Remove Country Locale option, the site will output only tags with language codes. If you select Remove Region Independent Locale, the site will output only tags that include both the language and country code. This third approach is actually the most common on the web, and it's the one I recommend. The second option allows you to set the xDefault tag. This tag is used to define a default version of the page that will be served when no other, more specific Hreflang version matches the user. To enable this feature, activate the checkbox and select which language should be considered the default for the xDefault tag. Let's now take this tutorial one step further. There are situations where you may want to disable the Hreflang tags added by TranslatePress and add your own instead. By using a dedicated filter provided by TranslatePress, you can disable the output of Hreflang tags in the site header. Add this code to your theme's functions.php file or to a custom plugin, and then verify that the Hreflang tags are no longer present in the front-end HTML of your pages. Once you've disabled the Hreflang tags added by TranslatePress, you can add your own. You can do this with a custom PHP script or by using a dedicated plugin. In this video, I'll be using the free Hreflang Manager plugin, which I've linked in the video description. Go to the plugin repository and install the Hreflang Manager plugin. Once activated, open the Connections menu and manually add your site's Hreflang configuration. Here you specify the URL where you want to add Hreflang tags, along with the alternate versions and their corresponding language and country targets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and check out the links in the description for more resources.